For this presentation, I will be talking about why is Earth habitable. So firstly, one of the main points is the sun. It plays such a major role in why our planet is so much better at being habitable than the rest. So the sun is 92.96 million miles away from Earth. But however, it's close enough for the warmth, which allows our sources of water to be liquid rather than ice. And obviously we need those sources of water to drink, provide electricity, other multiple things that we use those things for. Another important part is the Earth's mass. So due to its mass, the atmosphere is able to stay put. So this provides the oxygen and carbon dioxide we need, and it also allows for the greenhouse effect. So this greenhouse effect allows us to basically stay above freezing and to have some warmth stay within on the surface of our planet. As for the magnetic field, this protects us from the solar winds that are out in elsewhere besides Earth itself, and this keeps our atmosphere in place as well. So what other things make Earth habitable? Well, it comes down to many other things, like the cycles, such as the rock cycle and the water cycle. Obviously the water cycle is such an important part. And luckily we have water sources that are not solid, and we're able to use that water through rain and through other things to sustain life. Another good point is the plate tectonics. They keep our magnetic field in place, and without that magnetic field, our atmosphere wouldn't stay in place, and honestly, it would all fall apart. So that is all for my video lecture, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.